I was invited to cook inside a very expensive restaurant kitchen. Let's cook. Watch till the end. We'll be cooking steaks priced from $60 to $400 each. Now we're cooking giant tiger prawns. Watch this.
So here we have a herb boil with a bit of thyme, rosemary inside. We're just gonna marinate on top. We're gonna brush our prawns inside. These are tiger prawns from Indian Ocean. Gonna add a little bit of our salt. We have cleaned the prawns, we have opened them, cooked them on the charcoal. Very simple. This prawn doesn't need really much.
And this is foie gras. Watch how the chef plates it before serving.
Here we have some Asian pears, nashi pears, right here. We have a little bit of pickled rhubarb, mustard seeds. We have cooked them with vinegar and sugar. Flowers that they are being dehydrated.
This is garlic flowers?
Garlic flowers. There's a white one.
Interesting.
They are beautiful and they give that extra flavor. A little bit on the dish. Put a little bit there. 3 pizzelles.
Nice.
Our lobster bisque with mantari. We make a foam as the sauce, so it makes the sauce more light. We serve with mantari.
Lobster bisque.
Yes.
This is Japanese Kobe A5. Take a look. This one is Australian Wagyu. Here we have a ribeye steak, and this is Japanese Wagyu.
We have Wagyu fat. We melt it down and we brush all our meats. So this is what we're gonna do here. Simply gonna brush.
This is ribeye, yes?
That's USDA ribeye, and that's a filet Wagyu from Japan.
Yes.
We
You
put a bit of Maldon salt
good.
to give a nice caramelization. Same thing on the other side. For you tonight, we have Kobe, top quality, A5 from Japan, directly. Gonna cut it to see.
Жирненькое
You can
мясо.
see the golden fat around. It's nice in a room temperature, so it's gonna cook and it's gonna be really tender. Same on the other side. I'll show you on cut.
No, small one, yeah?
For you, it's gonna be. I will take out your cut.
Ах, красота какая,
Can you
смотрите.
see the marbling inside is really rich? This is gonna be for you. Little bit of, that's all it takes.
Это для меня
Little
кусочек.
bit of Wagyu fat. Maldon salt. Both sides. I want to give you to try this
Yeah.
one a little bit because this is my favorite.
Он говорит, что хочет сделать для меня стейк
This is
из
Australian
австралийского вагю.
Really,
Это
really nice.
лучшее мясо из всего, которое
I would love
он
to give you a
знает.
try.
Он так считает, его мнение.
See, the marbling is super quality. It's 8 to 9 MBS, so it makes it really nice and tender. We're gonna cut. It's gonna shrink a little bit. It's good. I give you a little bit of fry. Don't worry.
Видите, никакого маринада, ничего подобного, только соль и немножко масла. Все. Сочно выглядит, блин, не знаю, объемся мясом сегодня.
Bye.
Рибай
No
будем
Wagyu,
готовить
we'll do it
на
on the
огне, а
charcoal.
вагю на
The Wagyu
сковородках.
is
Вот
gonna
так
go
вот.
on the pan. To not touch the flavor. We don't want to spray it in the toaster. Good on the charcoal. Voila. The Kobe.
Смотрите, как он будет жарить мясо. На каждой стороне по чуть-чуть. Обязательно каждую сторону нужно прожарить.
That's ready.
Кстати говоря, лишнее масло постоянно сливается. Обратите внимание.
Keep an eye on the ribeye they just fry quickly. No, the ribeye is in the dosa. One. And then we're just gonna give an intense heat and we're gonna slap.
Ну и наконец-то пришло время австралийского вагю.
Australian Wagyu, then top is the round cup. Last caramelization. Nice golden fat, nice and slow. We're gonna do the same. We're gonna rest it.
Этим временем рибай почти готов.
Here's the ribeye, really good quality.
Итак, вот австралийское вагю, которое мы сейчас с вами попробуем. По идее, это
This meat is like butter. It just melts in your mouth. I've never had anything this good in my life. Incredible.
Я сдаюсь, все. Это идеально, просто идеально. Это взрыв мозга.